ariko ndagira ngo mbanze nshimire mwese abari hano mwaje kwifatanya n'igihugu n'abanyarwanda cyane cyane mwebwe abaturuka hanze mu bindi bihugu cyangwa abihagarariye hano mu gihugu cyacu. Ndabashimira kuko kenshi ko dusigaye tubibona ko bisigaye biri ukuri ntabwo kukigenderwaho, ni nacyo gituma, ariko reka mvugane, hari umuntu w'inshuti yanjye wigeze kumbaza ati ariko wowe nk'umuntu ubaho ute ugahuza bimwe, ndaza kubivuga mu rurimi rw'amahanga, arambaza tubaho ute ugahuza the dark past and the cruel present. But how do you manage that? Ariko uko nabyumvaga ntabwo ari igihe yabazaga gusa, yabazaga u Rwanda, bavuga ngo u Rwanda mubaho mute with a very dark past and a very cruel present. Icyo namushubije nuko and fight. It's not because there are fewer people who wish to perish or who would have wished us all to disappear, this country to disappear. But how can people accept that? How can people not stand up and fight? Because anyway, well, there is a risk you may die when you stand up to fight. But if you don't, it's a sure thing. You are going to, for that, we have to live the way we want. And I tell anybody to his face to go to hell. If anyone comes around and thinks they can, they come and say, hey, we're going to sanction you. To what? Go to hell. Just go to hell. You have your own issues to deal with. Go and deal with your own issues. Leave me to mine. This is the spirit I think Rwandans must have in their daily lives. So my worry is not about how powerful these people are that come down upon us and throw anything at us. I'm never worried about that. To be told they have no value, to be told that their lives have to be lived as a result of a favor they are being done by somebody else. What a shame for people to accept that even for a moment. You must not accept it. You must get up and fight for yourself. And then you have fools, the ones received in Western capitals and praised, and when, Rwanda is being crucified, literally at the UN, everywhere, these are the ones who show up and everybody is doing their bidding. They don't talk. These ones don't even say a thing. There is somebody to say it for them. You don't say a thing. Even in meetings where solutions are being thought about and crafted and so on, they are absent because somebody else is there. They are addressed there. When their name comes up, they say, no. You see, I see it on a daily basis. Somebody has agents, orders them, pays them to go everywhere preaching hate speech, killing people in broad daylight, setting fire on these people, burning in broad daylight. And when it comes up for discussion, they say, no, it's not this one. No. You see some other people, we look for them.